I need to be honest with you about something. Most of you watching this think that you know me, but you actually don't. And it's because I don't share my full truth with you. I don't share my real intentions with you often in a public forum anyway. I do if you come to my workshops or if you're in my inner tribe. And most people think I am here teaching some kind of quantum healing, or that curate, or the StandOut Speakers Academy is what I do, or the building conscious communities, but it's not. All of those are pieces of the puzzle, because the systems in our world, the education system, the way we live, the food production system, the healing healthcare system, they are all so broken. They do not serve people. They serve profits, and it is a mess. And someone or some people, a group of people, have to come and change this. And if I can be extra honest with you now and real with you, I am here to transform this entire world with your help. And that's why I created the Visionaries group. So we have 800 people in this group, and we meet and we all support each other. Everybody's doing projects to change the world. And one of my missions is to end all wars, to bring peace to the earth, to bring everybody who wants to into love consciousness, unity consciousness. And this is one of the things that I can't share publicly because people get upset. And I say I'm here to transform the healthcare system and actually teach people how to heal. And I post a video of someone who heals their eyesight without LASIK. And people go crazy in the comments saying I'm a con artist, saying that quantum healing is made up. Like, people literally in wheelchairs can walk again. And people who have things like the big C, you have to be careful what words you say on social media or you get your videos taken down. In weeks, they are healed of stage 4, and they're told that that's not possible. They're told it's inoperable, they're going to die, and they're healed. People who've had bipolar for 20 years in a few sessions no longer have it. People who have severe anxiety in 2 sessions no longer have anxiety. Like, it's not me, this is so many of us here, but I don't see many of us on the big stages, on the big TV, doing this, like reaching millions. There are a bunch of you, and if you're one of those people who is being brave and courageous, then I commend you. And this is what I feel to step more into. So I see myself in the future. I see visions. I have incredibly amazing foresight and gifts, and I see that we will be the generation that ends all wars, that brings peace to the earth, that changes the healthcare system, that creates an education system that actually supports children, that changes the food production system so that we eat healthy foods again. Everything used to be organic. And if you think this sounds crazy, then maybe it's not for you right now. Maybe it will make more sense later, but I'm coming out. I'm going to play a much bigger game. I'm going to stop playing small. So I'm going to reintroduce myself, and I'm going to be here to influence policies at the world leader level. If you are a world leader, if you're a CEO of a big company, if you need some support and some guidance, I'll help you, I'll guide you. It's one of my gifts. And this is what I see. If enough of us are brave, if we speak our truth, we can change everything. So I hope this is received well. If you don't like it, I'm sure you'll let me know in the comments. And if you do like it, let me know in the comments. And I'm sure you're part of the tribe. Lots of love.